We came to Ufa to launch a turnkey composite rebar production facility. We brought several production lines, assembled them, fine-tuned everything, and trained the staff. And now everything is up and running. And once the job was done, the client agreed to answer a few of our questions. Why did he decide to do it? Why did he choose us specifically? And how does he feel now, looking at his own production facility? Tell us briefly about your business. What do you do, and what is the scale of your operations?
We are the company BTPK, and we've been in the market for over 10 years. Our main activities are the production of corrugated sheet metal and acting as traders in rolled metal products. Now we've also decided to branch out into a new industry.
What was the goal before purchasing the production line? Why did you decide to start producing rebar and mesh at all?
To be honest, this is a new type of product that is actively used in our industry. That's why it caught our interest. We spent more than 2 years studying this market, its demand and supply, and decided that we wanted to produce it ourselves.
What did you do before this? Did you buy from other suppliers or work with different equipment?
Yes, we had experience working on one line. After we visited construction innovation exhibitions, we realized that the quality of the products is like night and day.
What fears or doubts did you have before investing money in these production lines?
As I mentioned, we studied this for 2 years. There were a lot of questions, a lot of misunderstandings, but after everything was explained and shown to us, we finally made the decision that we wanted to launch.
How did you find out about our company?
While studying the Russian market of manufacturers, we came across Construction Innovations, after which we visited and were pleasantly surprised by the quality and technologies used in production.
How many production lines did you order, and for what purposes? Is it for your own construction needs or for resale in your region?
At the moment, we have ordered 3 lines for the production of mesh and fiberglass rebar. We will strive to create the full range for the market. Mainly the goal is production for our region, the Republic of Bashkortostan, to meet, so to speak, the needs of the local market.
Did you consider other manufacturers? What were the differences? Who did you compare us with?
We approached this question in detail, saw a lot of machines, a lot of equipment. Honestly, after we finally visited Construction Innovations, we saw a different level of machines, a different level of finished products.
What ultimately became the deciding factor? The price, the people, the technology, the service?
All of the above. But to be honest, the overall build quality of the professional grade equipment, without any doubt, was the absolute best available.
What convinced you that this wasn't a risk but a well thought out decision?
As was mentioned earlier, after spending more than 2 years analyzing this segment, we realized and decided that this is an interesting product that is in demand on the market. That's why we decided that we would manufacture it.
How did the whole process go, from signing the contract to installation?
It was quite comfortable, without any complaints. We quickly came to an agreement and understood each other from start to finish about what we wanted. Also, the speed of equipment production up to installation was surprisingly fast, without any complaints.
How did you find the installation process overall? Please share your observations and opinions.
Overall, everything goes quite quickly, without any complaints. I really like the quality of the assembly. I'm grateful to the team for knowing their job well. They do everything quickly and efficiently without bothering me with unnecessary questions.
What are your finance department's forecasts regarding the payback period of the equipment?
To be honest, it's difficult to answer this question accurately because the market situation is constantly changing. Let's put it this way, we will try to achieve payback within 1 to 3 years.
What production volumes do you plan to reach in the next 3 to 6 months?
We will try to reach maximum output within the next 6 months. I won't mention exact figures. Time will tell.
What would you say to someone who is now considering starting the same kind of production?
Of course, you can enter the market, but we're not exactly waiting for you.
Would you recommend our company to anyone? If you had to sum it up in one phrase, why should people work with us?
Absolutely, I would recommend you in one word: quality.
This is what the result looks like when equipment is not just sold, but launched turnkey. Operational production lines, trained staff, and a client who is already counting profits, not risks. If you are also thinking about starting your own composite rebar production, we will come, install, and launch the lines in your region, just as we did here in Ufa. The link to the equipment and our contact information is in the description below the video.